Why are you not eating properly since few days?
I don't know, I just don't feel like eating anything.
What happened? Is everything okay?
No, nothing as such. Just maybe because of this summer and heat. I don't know. I'm fine, but
Are you sure?
yeah, I'm fine, and this is really good. I'm fine. Don't worry. Hello.
It's 11 and you're still sleeping.
Yeah, I don't know. Either I'm sleeping too much or I don't get sleep at all. I don't know what's going on. It's weird, right?
Yes, it is. Do you want to see a doctor?
No, I'm fine. You tell me, why did you call?
Actually, mom called and they all are planning to watch a movie. So, what's your status?
No, I'm not interested.
But why?
Well, I just can't concentrate in movies. I've tried to read a book also yesterday, but so you just carry on.
Concentrate. But it's a comedy movie, it's not a rocket science.
I'm not interested in meeting anyone also. It's fine.
What are you saying?
I'm saying nothing. I'm just saying that you carry on, and I'm getting another call. So you just carry on with everyone. Okay. See you. Bye.
He left this earth after committing
Joey, see the
suicide.
news.
And now
This actor ended his life.
that he might have been
Oh
a victim
God.
of professional bullying, being an outsider,
I mean,
belonging to the PL
I don't know
clique,
why. He had
center,
money, fame, almost
A-list
everything anyone can dream
VVIPs
of.
who saw him as a threat.
Maybe he might have felt death is better than this life for sure.
What? What did you say?
No, I'm just saying generally, you know, he might have thought this way. And you have your trip today, right? Office trip. So everything is packed?
Yeah, I'll be leaving from office directly and I'll be back in 2 days.
Okay, great.
Joey, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Everything is fine. I think I should take a shower. And happy journey, okay? Okay. This is a story of a husband slowly and gradually sinking into depression. Neither him nor his wife knows about it. See what happens in the story. Hello?
Hi, I'm in a conference. I'll call you back.
Listen. Daksh,
Bro, I'm busy right now. I'll call you later.
bro, li-
Surprise! Joey, what are you doing? Joey, what are you doing? Joe, look at me. I'm asking you something.
I'm I'm a failure. My life is a failure. Just leave me alone.
Failure?
Yes, people are doing so good in their life, and I'm just stuck with this 10 to 6 job. I'm a slave.
But you always wanted to be an engineer, and we are living a decent life.
I don't know. I think you deserve a better partner than me.
What are you saying?
I don't know. There is a constant feeling of sinking. I don't know what's going on with me.
Sinking?
I don't know. I just don't feel like eating anything. Yeah, I don't know. Either I'm sleeping too much or I don't get sleep at all. I just can't concentrate in movies. I've tried. Maybe he might have felt death is better than this life for sure.
Oh God, Joey, I'm really sorry I didn't see this.
You didn't see what?
I mean, you might be suffering from depression.
Depression? You feel I'm mad?
It's not about being mad. I saw these symptoms in a video. Just look at yourself. You are a fighter, you're not a victim.
I don't know. I'm just too scared. Will I be fine?
Listen, it will be fine. I'm there for you. Just don't worry. First, just speak out whatever is inside you.
I think I'm just not in a position to do things. Can anyone guarantee that in their life they are never going to have cancer? I mean, they can have the best diets, they can do exercise, they can stay away from substance abuse, they can get themselves checked properly, but still, can anyone guarantee that your body is not going to have cancer? The answer is no, right? The biggest example is somebody like Yuvraj Singh. So we have to understand depression is like a cancer of mind. It's a biological problem anybody can have and nobody can know about it. Neither the one who's patient nor his family members. So how do we know about it? I have shown some symptoms in this film. You have to see and understand that. If you or your near one is behaving in this way, then you have to understand that you may be suffering from depression. So what you have to do is, firstly, you have to talk to someone. It is really important. Secondly, you have to take some kind of meditation or some kind of therapies. And third and most important, get some kind of clinical help. It's high time that we should understand demotivation and depression are two different things. Depression is a disease. Let's try and fight it and cure it and support each other. That's it for this story. See you next Friday. Khuda Hafiz and stay positive. If you're facing any problem and want to connect with me, then do join my new group called Nijo Plus. We are trying to build a community which can help each other with positivity. If you want to remain anonymous, then you can directly message it to me on my page and I'll share it without disclosing your identity. The link is there in the comment segment. Take care.